Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is the difference between interface and abstract class. First difference is that a class can implement any number of interfaces, but a subclass can add most of use only one abstract class. Just we see the example. Let's create interface I1. And more interface that is I2. I will create one class. I can implement more than one interface. See here I can implement more than one interface in the subclass. But in that case of abstract class, only one abstract class allow in inheritance in derived class. Abstract just copy this one at abstract. If you are going to implement both of them in same derived class, it will give error. See, it's giving error. It's saying that A does not implement inherit abstract member get. Just you have to. Class A cannot have multiple base class getName and getName too. It's not allowed. Means that a class can implement any number of interfaces, but a subclass can add most use only one abstract class. Second difference is that an abstract class can have non-abstract methods like a concrete method, while in the interface all of the methods has to be abstract. You see here, we are going to create interface I1. So you are not allowed to create like a public void get name. See, this in one is the non-abstract methods. You are not allowed to implement in interface. But in the same case, abstract, in the abstracts you can do. See, you are not getting error. But see in here interface, if you are not allowed to implement any methods. Just you can declare like abstract. Then to remove that public also get error. Cannot have a definition. Third difference. An abstract class can declare or use any variable while an interface is not allowed. Same like that. is here. If you are trying to declare int I, you will get error. But in that abstract class, you can declare. See, you can declare variable in abstract class, but you are not allowed to declare any variable any type in interface. An interface can have access modifier for the sub, function and property etc. Everything is assumed as a public in interface cases. Just like here, you cannot write like that public string get name. You are not allowed to write access modifier, any access modifier in the interface. You will get error. The modifier public is not valid for this items. Means like that you are not allowed to write any write any access modifier. But in here you can write. See, you can write access modifier in that abstract class, but you are not write access modifier in the interface. Third one is constructor. In the interface, you are not allowed to create interface. Just like I1, this interface, it's not allowed here in interface. But in that case of abstracts, you can create a constructor. See, in that abstracts, you can create that constructor. But in the interface case, you are not allowed to create any constructor. You will get error. Interface cannot contain constructor. See here, interfaces cannot contain constructor. So I hope it's clear the difference between abstract and interface. Thanks for watching.